Hey, so this is an app that is a tribute to a classic calculator design, the Braun ET66. It came out in the late 80s, but almost identical design came out in 1980. It's pretty ahead of its time and kind of expensive if you want to buy a remake model or a vintage one. So this is a digital one anyone can have for free. Run it on Linux, Windows, and Mac. Let me run you through some of the functions. So you can turn it on, of course, on and off. We're giving feedback here, on, off clicks, just to show where people click. Just keep in mind there's a couple glitches here. I think if it's off and I click here, it shows none. There's other glitches I haven't managed to fix yet, but I'll show you some cool functions. So yeah, the del percent here. So let's say you have a trunk. Bear with me, we'll use feet, cubic feet. Let's say we have 34.8 cubic feet in our Jetta. We want to compare that with the trunk of a Honda Accord. So let's say, just making up numbers, 25. So that Honda Accord has 28% less storage than the Golf or the Jetta. Okay, so we could store that in memory. So I just pressed M+, MR, called it. We can doesn't make that much sense, but we can subtract 5 from that. And recall it. We have minus 33. Make it. Oh. Okay, that's another glitch. Okay, let's say 49 square root. Square root again. So that works. Multiply by 2. Add 2. Subtract 30, and this plus minus thing just takes away changes the sign, flips the sign. That is, in a nutshell, all the features. I don't think I should divide, so divided by 30. There you go.